So I would say energy efficiency is going to have to do with glass, first off, and the IG or insulated glass unit we're using. I'm going to use this for example. We're using Super Spacer. Super Spacer is a warm edge technology. So instead of a square metal or your two hands, this is stainless steel. We're using something that is warm edge technology, which simply means 10 layers of Mylar, a foam with a desiccant built in, and therefore it doesn't allow the cold to transfer through as much. The other thing is that we're flood coating our argon gas, and then we're doing a DLA UV, which simply means that we're giving it double pane, low E argon, but an enhanced low E that you're getting in your IG units. So the other thing that we're doing in the window is that we're putting a foam in the sashes and frames, and in turn that also makes your sashes and frames energy efficient. That's what helps all windows to be energy efficient or Energy Star rated. You need that kind of combination in order to get the values, the U factors and solar key gains that you need.